Now, I just want to outlook the weather week by week here as we move ahead from basically tomorrow through next Wednesday. You can see a lot of the nation in this area here is below normal. These bluish areas through here, much below normal. And then these are the only areas that are above normal out here. And we move this into, let's move this to the following 7 days, which is right there, and that would be next Wednesday through the following Wednesday, takes you to the 31st. We have that little bit of a break in the action here for part of Pennsylvania, where you get above normal, eastern PA normal, and there still could be some precipitation, as you can see along the shoreline here, to keep that in mind. But yeah, we have a little bit of a warm up, but you'll see that as we move after that into the following 7 days, this is the 31st through the 7th of February, the below normal temperatures come back again. Now, right now they're centered out here. The heaviest of the cold is out here in central United States, north central. The second band of cold that'll come in here at the end of at the beginning of February, it'll be more centered to the eastern part of the United States. So keep that in mind. They'll actually get a break and we'll go back under the gun again. And then we'll take you out to the next 7 days, and you can see stays much below normal here, and they're still not. The cold air is filtering down this way, and it's getting into the northeastern part of the United States. And then, if you're wondering where we're going to go from there, the next 7 days takes you to here, and that takes you up to around the 21st of February, and still below normal. And then, as we get to the end of the month, no respite. Actually gets colder, and actually they begin to get colder out in the western part of the United States. But pretty much February is below normal, too much below normal across eastern United States, and that would be Pennsylvania, New Jersey. And this takes you up to the 1st of March, and you can still see it's still cold. We do the next 45 days anomaly for there, and then that's what it looks like if you total in the next 45 days altogether. You can see that Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York up in the Northeast, we're below normal for that time period right there. So that's kind of where we're at. Precipitation during that period of time. Let's see if we can bring that up. It'll just show us where, well, we don't want that one. We want, let's see, we got to move this out. You can see there's some precipitation. It comes across. These are 10. Let's see, this is in inches. If I can get this to work right, giving me a hard time, but that's what you got to deal with when you're trying to do this. You'll see a big blob down here in the Gulf of Mexico over the next 10 days, and that could spawn storms, or it just could push off. But the warm air is the cold air is coming down, and what's happening is it's getting out over the Gulf water, and it's creating the rains over the water because the Gulf is warm. So that's kind of what's going on there. All right, so this is all it's going to allow me to do for now. So that's that. Okay, so this gave you an update of what you could be looking forward to. And if you think that winter will end early, it's not. It'll probably carry on into the first part of March, if that's what you're wondering. All right, take it easy.